So you might be trying to figure out how you can go through and send a poll within iMessage. Now, doing this is actually fairly basic. Now, number one, you're going to have to remember you're going to have to be on iOS 26 in order to do this. So you will have to be on iOS 26. This is a developer beta right now. In the future, it will end up becoming an official beta or official release. But this is kind of the first thing to keep in mind. Now, when you're in a chat, what you want to do is you want to click on the plus button that's at the bottom. So tap on the plus button right here, and you have to be in a group chat of some sort. So make sure you're in some sort of a group chat. And then what you can do is you'll be able to find this polls option that comes up right here. So you can go and tap on polls, and then it will allow you to choose a couple of different choices. So you can go through and choose choice 1, choice 2, or choice 3. You can choose one of these other choices that you have here, so you can kind of put in the choices that you want. So you can write down, option 1. You can go in here and type in option 2. You can go in here and type in option 3. And you can choose whichever other options you want, and you can keep adding more. And then you can add a comment if you want to. So you can say, which restaurant do you guys want to go to? You can send it. And then on their side, they're going to be able to go through and determine exactly what they want to go ahead and choose. So they can kind of choose whatever they want to. And that's essentially how you do it. So it really is that basic, and that's pretty much how it's done. If you have any other thoughts or questions, please let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that would mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out till then.